Vaginal wash or the intimate wash, which many women tend to use to clean their vagina or inside of the vagina. And the main question arises that should you be really using this vaginal wash or the so-called intimate wash just randomly without the doctor's prescription? What exactly happens? How exactly the vagina is cleaned? Everything will be spoken in detail, not exactly detail, but in a crisp manner in this particular video. So make sure you're watching this video to the very end and also subscribing this channel. वो जो लाल बटन आपको नीचे दिख रहा है उसको दबा दो, उसके बगल में एक बेल आइकॉन भी होगा उसको भी दबा दो, so that I'm Dr. Niranjan Samani. Every single day I get a video on my YouTube channel. You DNSians are always updated. Coming straight to the topic, that is vaginal wash. Should you be really using this to clean your vagina or not? Now let's understand this one thing. Vagina is a self-cleaning organ. There's no need for you to specially again clean your vagina because it's a self-cleaning organ. Now your vagina contains an organism called as lactobacillus. Now what exactly does lactobacillus organism do? It produces something called as lactic acid. Now what exactly this lactic acid does? It maintains the pH of your vagina. pH of the vagina is maintained and there is no infection happening. So when you're using this so-called intimate wash or the vaginal wash, it alters the vaginal pH, making it more prone for the vaginal infections. So basically, instead of you cleaning your vagina, you're just making it more prone for infections. So absolutely, I would not recommend you to use a vaginal wash or the intimate wash, which has been just randomly prescribed by anyone. Only until and unless it has been prescribed by your doctor, only then go about with this particular product. If not, kindly avoid from using this to clean your vagina because it is a self-cleaning organ, for goodness sake. Vagina is a self-cleaning organ. So I hope you like this video. It's a very short and simple video. Make sure this video is passing out to each and every one out there and also subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Many more contents coming on this particular YouTube channel so that you are updated regarding, so bell icon को जरूर दबाना. Okay, that's it for today guys. I'm Dr. Niranjan Samani. जो भी है सही है, eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. Until my next video comes, bye bye.